Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Single-Serve Blender Review. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. A well-balanced meal on the run is hard to come by, especially if you're always on the go. No more nutritionally deficient vending machine fare or overpaying for bottled smoothies from the local juice bar. This Hamilton Beach Personal Blender for shakes and smoothies with 14-oz travel cup and lid takes the fuss and stress out of losing weight and living a healthy lifestyle. It includes a blender jar and 14-oz travel cup with lid that allows you to blend and drink from the jar. Dishwasher safe parts are quick and easy to clean. Featuring a 450-watt motor and 2 speeds, the Hamilton Beach Blender lets you choose the right setting for a variety of foods like fruits, vegetables, and smoothies, with no messy cleanup. The jar has measurements on the side to help you create custom-sized snacks and meals, and the lid has a pour spout for simple transitions between blending and drinking. Included blade and lid assembly and a complete user manual guide you to creating healthy snacks and meals on the go. Number 2. Ninja BL660 Personal Blender. Targeting the everyday foodie, the Ninja BL660 Professional 1100 watts blender/food processor is designed to enable you make delicious, nutritious drinks, soups and meals at the touch of a button. Not only does the Ninja BL660 allow you to easily make delicious smoothies, shakes and frozen drinks, but it can also be used to turn fresh ingredients into tasty sauces, spreads and dips. And thanks to the additional 72-oz, picture and 216-oz, to-go cups, you can enjoy your creations right away. Non-slip feet keep the blender stable while blending. While the pitcher and cups are made from BPA-free Triton, the Ninja food processor is also at dishwasher safe. The recipe book features 50 recipes from delicious smoothies to nutritious almond milk and tasty soups. This Ninja blender can help you make the most of summer produce, including zucchini, basil and red peppers, for the perfect margarita or tomato sauce. The powerful 1100-watt motor is suitable for a variety of uses, from making frozen drinks to grating cheese for fresh pizza. The powerful 1100-watt motor is suitable for a variety of uses, from making frozen drinks to grating cheese for a fresh pizza. Number 3. Magic Bullet Blender. Make delicious kitchen creations with this Magic Bullet Blender. It features a blending cup with a capacity of 57 liters and a secure, on-lid with pour spout. This Magic Bullet Blender also comes with recipe and instruction book. The small-sized blender is ideal for mixing small quantities and is ideal for making salsa, cocktails, ground coffee, smoothies, grated cheese, and more. The appliance comes with a practical storage case with a durable handle and an easy-to-carry design. It has 11 pieces, including a tall cup lid, short cup lid, cross blade, flat blade, emulsifying blade, spatula, stay fit to go container, a stay fit to go travel lid, and a stay fit to go. Number 4. NUTRIBULLET Personal Blender. NUTRIBULLET presents the Personal Blender, which allows you to quickly and easily make nutrient-rich food and meal smoothies and shakes from the comfort of home. This high-power blender is designed to power through nutritious ingredients to make your favorite blended drinks easily, including leafy greens and other fibrous food. The NUTRIBULLET Personal Blender is a manual, hand-operated unit that is much more versatile and portable than single-serve blenders. It can handle a wide variety of ingredients to make nutritious meals, nutrition-packed snacks, or delicious frozen drinks any time of day. The 600-watt motor of this small mixer is powerful enough to pulverize through ice, nuts, seeds, frozen fruit, fresh fruit, and more to make your meals and drinks. But it is gentle enough to create a fluffy, smooth consistency that is much better than what other blenders can offer. This NUTRIBULLET blender is capable of chopping up food into small pieces or making it smooth and creamy, depending on what you prefer. It is lightweight, easy to store, and easy to clean so you can have your favorite blended meals and snacks whenever you want them. Number 5. MUELLER Ultra Stick Personal Blender. The MUELLER Ultra Stick is an excellent multi-purpose hand blender with a premium brushed stainless steel body. The stainless steel blending rod will never corrode. Features a quartz storage compartment, rubber grip and variable speed settings. Included with this hand blender are 2 attachments, Blending arm and whisk. The blending arm offers a 5-point star blade for consistent blending action, and the whisk attachment is ideal for mixing soups, sauces, dressings, and egg whites. The newer Ultra Stick Hand Blender has a brushed stainless steel body for added durability and a 500 watts motor for high-performance blending. This hand blender features 9 speed settings and a turbo feature for maximum blending power. Thanks for watching my video.